So not sure which video I'm gonna throw this in, but essentially guys, we're gonna be racing his Porsche against my G80 M3. Speaking of, let's get a nice cold start. Man, this mic will never do this car justice because I hear it in person, it sounds so good, it sounds so loud, but then on video and stuff, I'll hear it back and I'm like, this doesn't sound as good as it does in person. So you guys really do have to hear this thing in person to hear what it really sounds like. But anyways, I'm gonna go meet up with Mike, who again is in his Porsche, and basically race them, see which one is faster. Before you guys skip ahead, who do you have your money on? The G80 M3 or the 911 Carrera 4S, or is it Carrera 4? I don't know, Mike, you correct me if I'm wrong here. Which, by the way, is tuned. So his car is definitely not stock. I think stock for stock, the M3 would definitely win. But tuned, I don't really know.
Yeah. That was good enough. Holy cow. I think I left a little before you.
You did. Ready? Bro, they're like neck and neck.
I think we left at the perfect time that time.
Yeah.
And my car keeps spinning for some reason. The traffic keeps coming on.
All right, guys. So unfortunately, I was an idiot. I didn't record the second round. The first round, by the way, I should say, no launch control for any of them. Mike also can't activate launch control, so we kind of thought it'd be a little fair. Just so, but either way, the first one we're like neck and neck. The second one, I technically took him, but I went first. And then the third one, you guys saw, that one was a little shorter, but it was pretty even, man. Like, these cars are virtually the same, which is pretty cool. A tuned Porsche versus a stock, remember guys, stock G80 M3. I am on some wider and better tires, but otherwise, yeah, I don't know, pretty cool. We're gonna try some roll racing right now, so hopefully I don't forget to record this one, but TBD. Well then.
Yeah, it's definitely not gonna work right here.
No.
You ready?
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
Did we go at the same time or no?
I kind of messed. That's all right. I was fine. I made it work in that.
You ready?
Yep.
Just go and I'll follow you. You go front. That was a little bit better.
Yeah. Get behind me. No diddy. I took it out of manual. Yeah, that I had a better. That one I was at like 4,500 RPM. I felt like the car just picked up way better.
But you know what? I think these cars are so equal in a straight line. It's so equally matched. It's not even funny because you took off first, and it's kind of like one car doesn't go past the other. We kind of stay where we're at.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Whoever takes the launch takes it.
That's what I'm saying. It's like we're kind of, but no one grows on the other. Pause. Like no one gains on the other. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, no, I'm with you, bro. These cars are. Honestly, they're really nicely matched. It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, surprising though. I'm so surprised.
So you guys saw it. We couldn't really get too many good roll races in Mexico. So we came back home. So we had two races. The first one, I didn't find the best gear, but still, we're pretty neck and neck. The second one, I had a better gear. I think I was at about like 4,500 RPM when I launched it. And that one, dude, like the Porsche and the M3 are neck and neck. Now, I know some people are gonna be like, well, it's a base Porsche, but it is tuned. Remember that. I don't know what Mike's final numbers are, but it is tuned. But I will say, just seeing these two cars roll, man, the Porsche looks so much cooler. What's your take?
Oh, I'm surprised. I'm naturally surprised.
Did you think the Porsche was gonna win?
I mean,
I thought so.
I didn't think so, really.
I thought so.
Nah, that's why I asked to race the Super first. I wanted to gauge
That's
it.
not fair.
Because, yo, BMW, just like Porsche, be having secret power, bro. Like,
That's
secret
true.
Power.
Yeah.
I never thought it'd be equally matched. Like, how equal it was.
Pretty sick, right?
Yeah. Honestly, the only way I thought about it, right? And I'm gonna say this for the camera, right? I was underestimating Eamon. I was hoping he didn't know how to brake boost properly. I was gonna wax that ass.
Pause.
But one thing I will say, though, the downfall of the Porsche and the PDK that I noticed is there's a delay. So, like, it's hard to go when you go, because even when I let off the brake, it still is like a little half a second delay before the thing, because it's like,
well, it's also not launch control, is it?
Nah, it's not launch control. It's like a soft launch, because I'm not able to put in sport mode.
Yeah, so technically Mike's at a disadvantage.
Yo, but that Super don't stand a chance, man.
That's true. Yo, until Keys gets a hand of it, or a hold of it.
Yeah.
Get a hand of it. I forget how to speak English sometimes. Also, one last excuse that I'm gonna throw out there. My tires are like at like 40 PSI. Because
a lot of excuses.
No, I'm serious.
A lot of excuses.
It is an excuse. But long story short, I have an issue with the tires right now. We're gonna get it resolved. So they keep on leaking. So I've been pumping them up like way higher than they should be. So that way it just gives me So I've been at like 40 PSI. But I think if I tone down the PSI a bit and use launch control, but then you also didn't have launch control.
Yeah, I didn't have launch control at all.
So whatever.
It's in basically comfort mode right now.
There's no comfort with this car anymore, bro.
Yeah, I know.
The comfort is gone. You went from like a fancy white executive to that guy. wait. The hat and then what? Nice. Stand out, huh? Nice design. I wonder where you got the inspiration for that design on the hoodie. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, drop it a like, hit that subscribe button. Oh my.
You never seen those memes like, it's the Porsche Comfort or whatever, no?
Nope.
That's no car enthusiast. That's the Porsche Rocker 3000. You never seen that guy?
I have no idea what he's talking about, guys. But if I get demonetized, we know why. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Before I forget, I just want to give one more excuse for the camera. Look what's inside my back seat. 2 big, heavy baby seats, and then in the trunk we got a stroller. So I race Mike with basically a family car. Anyways, regardless, just one more excuse.